Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to launch the WhatsApp, and from here guys you can easily find Meta AI at the top, but Meta AI button is not available for me here. So guys, if you want to get Meta AI on your iPhone, just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open App Store or Play Store. So guys, if you're using Android phone, you can also open Play Store, and if you're using iPhone, just simply have to open App Store and just simply have to search for the WhatsApp. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to make sure that you are using latest version of the app. Just simply have to update the WhatsApp, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now open the settings. Now after that, scroll it down a bit and also make sure that you're not connected with any VPN, and after that tap on general and then tap on software update and just simply have to update your device, and after that hopefully Meta AI will be available for you. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.